So hello everyone, this is the AI virtual assistant prompt that I created and connected to the master workflow, the workflow that gathered the callers summary and then executed in the workflow and then send the internal notification based on the ChatGPT gathered data from the caller or the lead. So as you can see here on my prompt, you can see that we have a system directive, global rules, and persona. So that we have a role authority. You are a custom VA name, which is on the custom values of this GHL. An account name, same under the custom values. And then I have this priority intent override, which is critical. So before starting any standard flow, always listen for intent. So it will always, the voice AI agent will always listen on the caller's intent. If the callers mentioned reschedule, change my appointment, move my inspection, I already have an appointment, then this workflow will be automatically executed and skip all of the necessary or all of the general questions about home inspection. So it will automatically skip, and then the voice AI agent will ask a question about the reschedule, change appointment, and move inspection. So I have this workflow. Just do not ask buyer seller agent or ask property question. And then this is a schedule flow. Step 1, acknowledge and take control. So voice agent will say that I can help you rescheduling your inspection, blah, blah, blah. So we have step 2, step 3, step 4, and then step 5. And then there's a frustration detection handling. So it will automatically trigger if the voice agent meet the condition. So the condition is like, for example, it's frustrated caller. So the voice AI agent will automatically change the behavior based on what is the attitude of the caller. And then I have these conversational and call control rules. Just control the whole conversation of the caller and the voice AI agent. So basically, this one is a overall behavior of the voice AI agent. Aside from the voice AI agent settings, I also have this prompt inside the voice AI agent. So I have maintain control. If the caller asks about services or pricing, briefly state blah 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 blah. I'm here, blah 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 blah. And then I have this conversation workflow for a specific question. So there's this one is a general workflow, which will be once you call to the voice AI agent, there will be a greeting intent, caller identity, and contact info, which the voice AI agent should be gathered. Property address, it will automatically be asked. Property data, and then the closing information. And then I have this additional prompt. If the caller, for example, just want to leave a message to the home inspector or to the marketer, it will bypass all of the workflow, all of the prompt flow, and then will automatically ask, of course, I can take a message, and then if yes, resume, blah, blah, blah. So, and then additional prompt number 2, services specific response optimization for a real inspector mode. So the voice AI agent will turn into a real home inspector. Then prompt number 3, control versus service response for conflict resolution. And then I have this behavioral logic. Then I have this TTS, which is text to speech humanization rules, which is very important, especially when the voice AI agent will answer the call. It will you won't recognize that the voice AI agent is a AI or a robot. So it will sounds like a natural human, and it will give you some expressions like all right, got it, okay, like a normal uh, voice AI voice agent. So then for the numbers, 123 Main Street. So it will automatically convert as a word because this one is text TTS. And then avoid abbreviation unless commonly spoken. So they have this abbreviation. And then acknowledge response. And then unending calls. So yeah, that's it. This is the whole prompt. I will also record another video to test this prompt. Thank you.